feel the nature of Cameroon. Welcome to Cameroon, the heart of Africa's wild soul, where nature breathes in colors, rhythms, and life. Here, the rainforest whispers ancient secrets, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Mount Cameroon rises like a guardian of the land, a sleeping giant watching over coast and jungle alike. From the Atlantic shores to the Savannah plains, Cameroon is a land of harmony, where nature and people move as one.
This is Cameroon.
Untamed, unforgettable, alive.